DJI has been surprisingly quiet for a while, but that silence? Yeah, it's about to break in the loudest way possible. The long-rumored DJI Osmo Action 6 is reportedly dropping around October 24th, 2025, and the leaks are absolutely wild. Oh, and before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and share your thoughts in the comments. It really helps keep this channel rolling. So here's the deal. DJI is bringing some serious firepower this time. The Action 6 keeps the familiar rectangular design we all recognize, but it's now slightly thicker because inside there's a lot more power. The front circular lens is bigger and wrapped in a slick, textured metal bezel, with a new pill-shaped element below the front screen that gives it a more polished, premium look. And yes, it's still rugged, IP68 rated, waterproof up to 20 meters without a case. That's GoPro-level confidence right there. Now here's where things get spicy. This will be DJI's first action camera with a 1-inch CMOS sensor. That's a massive leap from the 1/1.3-inch sensor in the Action 5 Pro, meaning sharper detail, incredible low-light performance, and a boost in dynamic range. Add 8K at 30 frames per second, 5.3K at 60 frames per second, 4K at 120 frames per second, and 10-bit D-Log-M color with over 13 stops of dynamic range. Yeah, DJI's clearly flexing hard, but it doesn't stop there. Say hello to RockSteady 4.0 and AI-driven Horizon Steady with 360-degree leveling and real-time shake prediction. Whether you're diving, skiing, or sending it downhill on a mountain bike, your footage will look ridiculously stable. Plus, it pairs with Garmin and Apple Watch, letting you control recording, switch modes, and overlay live data like heart rate or altitude right onto your footage. Now for the twist: pricing. Leaks say the standard combo will land between $329 to $429, while the Adventure combo goes for $479 to $579. That's shockingly close to the Action 5 Pro range, considering all the upgrades. So yeah, DJI's coming for GoPro's crown, and honestly, things are about to get very interesting. Now, compare the DJI Action 6 to Action 5 Pro. Oh yeah, folks. Because today we're diving into a showdown that's got every action camera fan on the edge of their seats. DJI Action 6 versus DJI Action 5 Pro. Can you believe it? Two powerhouse cameras, both promising mind-blowing performance. But only one can truly take the crown. Which one will come out on top? Stick with me till the very end to find out, because the answer might just surprise you. Let's dive into the heart of any camera, the sensor. The DJI Action 5 Pro features a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, capturing 40 megapixel stills with a 13.5 stop dynamic range. Oh yeah, that means vibrant colors and impressive low-light performance. Adventurers love it for reliving moments in stunning detail. But hold on, the DJI Action 6 is rumored to sport a 1-inch sensor, a massive leap. This could dramatically enhance low-light capabilities and even enable 8K video recording. Imagine filming your skydiving jump or mountain biking adventure in ultra-high resolution. Exciting, right? If true, the Action 6 might make the Action 5 Pro feel outdated. Honestly, if the Action 6 delivers on this promise, it might just leave the Action 5 Pro looking like yesterday's news. When it comes to action cameras, performance and stabilization can make or break the experience. The DJI Action 5 Pro shines here with 4K video at 120 frames per second, paired with DJI's Horizon Steady stabilization system. Whether you're skiing down a slope or doing a backflip off a cliff, your footage stays buttery smooth. No dizzying jitters, no messy shakes. The Action 6, however, is rumored to step things up with advanced RockSteady 4.0, integrating AI-powered Horizon Steady that offers full 360-degree horizon leveling. Oh yes, That means every shot stays perfectly level, no matter how chaotic your movement. Imagine filming a high-octane chase scene and never worrying about the horizon tilting. Exciting, right? If this rumor turns out true, stabilization just reached a whole new level. Battery life is crucial for long adventures. The DJI Action 5 Pro offers 1,950 mAh for up to 4 hours of 4K recording, while the Action 6 is rumored to deliver longer, higher-resolution recording for uninterrupted action and fun. Durability. The DJI Action 5 Pro is rugged, waterproof 20 meters, survives -20 degrees Celsius. Action 6 promises the same durability for extreme adventures. Which one should you choose? So, here's the million-dollar question. Which camera wins your heart? The DJI Action 5 Pro is a reliable, high-performance workhorse, perfect for immediate adventures. The DJI Action 6, however, promises 8K recording, advanced AI stabilization, and enhanced smartwatch integration. The choice is yours. Stick with the trusted Action 5 Pro or embrace the futuristic Action 6. So, which side are you on for your next adventure? So tell me folks, what will it be? Will you stick with the dependable Action 5 Pro, or are you ready to leap into the future with the Action 6? Drop your thoughts in the comments, because this battle isn't over, and your next adventure deserves the right camera.
Now, the battle between the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and the upcoming DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting face-offs in the world of compact filmmaking. The Pocket 3, launched in October 2023, redefined what a handheld gimbal camera could do, thanks to its 1-inch CMOS sensor and the ability to shoot up to 4K at 120 frames per second. But as leaks and whispers surrounding the Pocket 4 continue to grow louder, it seems DJI is preparing to raise the bar once again. And this time, it might be a leap, not just a step forward. The Osmo Pocket 3 quickly became a fan favorite because it combined portability with professional-grade results. Its 1-inch sensor delivered crisp, detailed images, even in low light, while its 3-axis gimbal ensured buttery smooth stabilization no matter how shaky your hands were. The rotatable 2-inch touchscreen made framing shots a joy, especially for vloggers, and the camera's ability to handle 4K/120 FPS gave creators slow-motion freedom that few pocket-sized devices could match. Add to that the sleek design and reliable performance, and it's no wonder the Pocket 3 earned a reputation as one of DJI's best-balanced releases. However, technology never stands still, and DJI seems ready to rewrite its own rulebook with the rumored Pocket 4. According to early leaks, the next-generation model may come with a brand new sensor, still 1-inch, but potentially larger or more advanced, with improved low-light performance. If true, this could mean significantly better dynamic range and cleaner footage in dim environments, areas where compact cameras usually struggle. Even more intriguing are whispers of 4K recording at a blistering 240 frames per second, a dream come true for creators who live for cinematic slow motion. Design-wise, the Pocket 4 could be even more user-friendly. Rumors point to a larger 2.5-inch display, offering more space for touch controls and real-time previews. DJI might also introduce an upgraded autofocus system, featuring eye tracking, a feature borrowed from high-end mirrorless cameras. This would mark a massive upgrade for vloggers and solo filmmakers, ensuring that the subject remains perfectly sharp even while moving around the frame. There's even talk of a collaboration with Hasselblad, which could mean more accurate color science and richer image tones, similar to what we've seen in DJI's premium drone lineup. Pricing, of course, will play a big role in this showdown. The Pocket 3 originally launched at around $519, but tariffs and supply changes saw its price climb closer to $799 in some regions. The upcoming Pocket 4, on the other hand, is rumored to debut at around $699, which, if true, would make it an even more attractive option, especially considering the likely performance boost. As for timing, insiders hint at a late 2025 release, though DJI has yet to make any official announcements. So, which one will reign supreme? The Pocket 3 still holds strong as a reliable, proven performer for vloggers, travelers, and content creators who value simplicity, and image quality. But if the leaks hold true, the Pocket 4 could become the ultimate pocket-sized powerhouse, faster, smarter, and more cinematic than ever before. The real winner, as always, might just be the creators who get to capture their world with whichever little marvel DJI builds next.